Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can share a project in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Todoist, and when you're going to be here, you just want to go to the right top corner and you're going to see here, assign people. You can do it in today, you need to always do it in a project. So click assign people. Now email or name, let's go. And click invite. And here we got it. So this is who is pending. And you can like simply click here, assign a person then, and assign a new person. So yeah, thank you very much. And this is how you can simply share a project in Todoist. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.